Hi, I'm Craig Phillips. Now, we all know the fence and decking sprayer is fantastic for spraying fences and decking, of course. However, it's also amazing for spraying almost anything, wood or metal, around your garden. Applying your paint with a paint sprayer makes it so much quicker and easier than a paintbrush or roller. An awkward bench like this with slats is a simple job to do when using your paint sprayer. Now, this door is a smooth tongue and groove panel. I'm setting the nozzle at vertical and I'm spraying from top to bottom. The atomisation of the paint allows me to get between all of the grooves. Using your paint sprayer is so much quicker and easier than using a brush when it comes to painting decking. Using the extension handle allows you to paint the decking without bending down. Most fence panels like this is rough sawn timber and very porous, so make sure your paint flow is turned up high to project the right amount of paint to penetrate into the wood. The next project to be spray painted is these metal gates. Your results are as good as new when using the paint sprayer. I'm going to demonstrate how versatile it is when it comes to spraying hard items like this section of picket fencing. This table and chairs would be virtually impossible to paint with a paintbrush, but when using the paint sprayer you get a result as good as new. You can use virtually any paint, any colour, any brand, whether it's water or oil-based paint. The Fence and Decking sprayer really is Britain's most popular paint sprayer for the garden. It makes them hard to do jobs fun, quick and easy. So that's just a small amount of items that you can do with your Fence and Decking sprayer. We hope we've given you the inspiration to do it yourself. Don't forget to follow us on all social media handles, and if you want to see some more how-to videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel.